Today we're going to talk about solving multiplication equations using the equal groups strategy. So our I can statement is I can solve multiplication equations using the equal groups strategy. So below we've got an equation that we're going to solve together. Sarah has 3 shelves in her bedroom. If she puts 8 books on each shelf, how many books will she have in her room? Well, before I go any further, I have to visualize and think about the bedroom, and I have to think about seeing 3 shelves in her room. I can see 3 shelves, each individually on her wall or somewhere stacked in the room, and 8 books on each shelf. Okay, so I know I have 3 different groups because one shelf is a group, another shelf is a group, and another shelf is a group, and there's 8 books in each of those. So I'm going to have 3 groups of 8, or 3 times 8 equals the total number of books. So down here we have 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups with 8 books on each shelf. So we have 3 groups of 8. So now what we're going to do is we're going to skip count. Well, I know 8 plus 8 is 16. So when I put those two together, either in my mind or drawing it on my paper, I get 16. Well, then I have 16 plus 8 more, and I get 16 plus 8, and when I count up, I get 24. So we want to make sure that we make 3 groups of 8 because we have 3 shelves. One shelf, another shelf, another shelf. This would not be 8 groups of 3 because Sarah does not have 8 shelves. She has 3 shelves. So we have to make sure that what we create also matches our equation, which also matches what is going on in the problem. So I hope this has helped. So now we can solve multiplication equations using the equal groups strategy.